Good job. Can I go now?
You can do whatever you like now.
Cool. Well, you're a fanny, Anne.
You are funny.
You're a fanny. Do you think I might need mud mould?
Yes, totally. So a minute. This is SP7177-02.
One of them.
I've got to find the other one.
Oh. Rocky. Oh, look at that. There's a hill.
Like you're like, Flora.
Yeah. No,
Oh, well.
sensible.
You can't do sensible.
Oh, look, bumpy. Oh,
Your phone's being annoying. Oh,
you okay
you're
there?
going any quicker.
I'm not going that quickly. I'm going down the hill.
And then the next one's SP7178-03.
A little bit muddy.
Sploosh.
No sploosh, just mud.
There was. Look.
Oh, look, tiny puddle.
Sploosh.
Sploosh. Don't think that counted, really.
No.
Kind of puddle. Look,
Oh, dog walkers. This is why you shouldn't go so
I
fast.
wasn't going fast.
He's going to tell you lost.
I like your dog. That's
Ah,
really
your
cute.
dog is cute. He's there to watch you get
He
stuck.
said morning.
Oh, you should have had your window down.
Should have, shouldn't I? Let's see. Oh, look at this.
Oh,
Let's see. Look how close you are to the windy bit.
that's quite cool. I like how jiggery it feels.
I know.
Hey, hey. Steady on the old throttle.
That wasn't the throttle, that was the road.
No, that was your dodgy throttle control.
You are a
I'm
dog.
waiting for you to run over something like metal.
That'll be
Oh
cool.
yeah, we forgot to put a spare wheel in the back.
Well, let's hope we don't have an issue then.
Let's hope.
Jesus.
Oh, look,
there's a
sploosh.
sploosh.
Look, gate, they've opened it for us.
Oh, wait.
Oh yeah, this is onto the byway.
Do we go straight?
Yeah.
Because the sign looks like it's in the bush. Oh yeah, that's a field. Let's not
Yes,
go in there.
don't go in the field. Farmer will be grumpy.
No.
This bit we're allowed on.
We should have brought
October to April inclusive.
we should
you're
have
not
brought the
allowed.
camera.
We've got phones.
Because you might get some nice pictures of the car.
Exactly.
Like with the windmills in the background maybe.
Exactly.
You'll have to let me know if you want me to stop.
I'm not going to get out while you move it. It's down to you. You're the one driving, not me. This looks like a nice hill.
This is really pretty. Look at the view.
So it's much better when you go slow. You can enjoy it.
Wee, wonky. Actually, I don't think you'd get the windmills in the background of a picture, would you? I think the bush is too high.
Maybe you'll have to stand up tall though.
Pretty.
Beautiful day.
Oh look, if I stop a bit further down the hill, you could get a picture of the back of the car with that in the background.
Maybe.
If you know what I mean.
Wouldn't that be clever?
Good, wouldn't it? If I stop maybe, do you think here or a bit further down?
You can stop wherever you
I'll
like.
go a bit further down.
I like where I'm in control of pictures again.
I can get out and do it if you want.
No, I wouldn't want you to get out.
You can drive. You said that I could drive today because you drove too much yesterday.
Exactly.
I'm going to stop just here.
At least if you get a puncture, it's for you to sort out. Onwards, pilot.
Right, lot. You found any blackberry bushes yet?
Not yet.
I have to keep an eye out. Got blackberry in.
I like the woodlands. Could you imagine if this goes uphill as steep as it goes downhill? Like in the wet, this could be fun.
Yeah, probably not in a good way. Do you like where there's a track there and I'm on the grass?
A little bit.
But the thing is, you can tell that people do both.
Yeah. Gosh, I wonder how sharp some of them stones
That's
are.
what was making me avoid them, I must admit. As soon as you forgot a wheel.
Well, you forgot it.
You forgot
I forgot. I got everything else.
Apart from the wheel.
Yeah, apart from the wheel. But you happen to put them all away. Don't go right.
Okay, we'll do.
That big bar across it says don't go right.
Stopping up. Open up.
Little ruts.
Teeny tiny. Barely rutty.
Doors are locked.
Oh, do you know what I was going to say to you? I thought of when I woke up this morning.
Oh no.
No, you know the parking, what do you call it? Parking sensors. Is there a fuse for them?
Yeah, but it just flashes the light all the time. It gets really annoying.
Oh, I was going to say, because it's funny, because like Muddy Weekender, could we pull the fuse? Because that's going to get very annoying.
Good. It'll probably end up going off when we do something with the tow bar electrics anyway. Woodland looks nice
I
walking
doubt
around.
it would be linked, personally.
Well, you got to remember when we had issues with the tow bar electrics, it took the sensors out. Look at the car handle it like a chow.
Because it's got professional.
Oh, blackberries. Seen them.
They look red though.
No, they're definitely black.
Are they actually?
Yeah.
Do you want me to stop?
I'll put it this way, if we get stuck, we're alright. We'll live for at least a day. As long as you don't mind permanently eating blackberries.
You could quite easily go wrong there. If you went too much to the right.
Nervous times. Can Nana handle it?
For the pressure.
Feeling the pressure.
Under pressure.
In the ruts or not in the ruts?
Pushing down at me. Pushing down at you. Sorry, I was singing.
Why, yeah?
No.
I wonder what that noise was. I thought there was something going wrong with the car.
Are they blackberries?
Oh wow, that tree's come down at some point.
Oh, I thought they were blackberries.
Bomb goes a stone. Not blackberries. They're blackberries just about there.
They don't look very big.
No. Oh wow, electric pole come down.
Oh.
Bad times.
Could you imagine being the person that has to come out and fix it?
Exactly.
They'd have those little dune buggies or whatever they're called.
Dune buggies. Yeah, because obviously.
No, I don't know what they're called. You know those little things?
Yeah. Off-roaders. Unimogs.
Yeah, that's the one, not dune buggies. Does it go that way?
Yeah. You go straight. Nice easy one, this one.
Not too complicated for me.
Nice easy one to set you in, and then you'll get stuck.
No, I won't. I'll leave that to you. It's so weird that you're just in the middle of a load of fields.
Isn't it?
Which sounds very stupid.
You can see why this is closed off. Like, I know globally across the county they're all closed off, but you'd struggle in the winter,
Yeah,
in the wet,
100%.
with things like this, I can imagine.
100%.
It's the sort of lane you probably wouldn't want to do from October to April. Whee!
Oh, catchy.
Bit of movement as well.
Thank God's doing his job.
We're catching.
We're catching.
Not to concern you or anything, but we're catching already.
Fine.
Look at that. Can't handle it like a champ.
Oof. That's quite cool, isn't it?
I know. This is the life.
This would make quite a good picture, wouldn't it?
Maybe. I'm waiting for you to catch.
I don't know if I'm going to get going, but...
I was going to say. Does it mean this is the end of the lane?
Kind of looks like it.
Because that looks like a normal traditional road.
Your funk.
Little bit. So that it'd be interesting, like, because that was south to north. It'd be interesting, like north to south, if it'd be any different.
Do you want me to turn around?
Yeah. Oh dear. Good job.
I was going to stop there actually. But...
No, not allowed. Stop in the gateway, please.